out swimming again. Beautiful ocean. A lot of nice food. I don't know what's in that box. Signed up for a beach bootcamp. About 7:30 now. Back in the beach we were at last week. I don't really know what it is. I'm expecting to do it. Try and get sunburned. So we're at the ice spot here. There's no actual ice, but it's very cold water, so I jump in the steam room, jump in the ice bath, do a few rounds of that, see how long we can stay in, but it's very, very, very cold. It's, let me see. What temperature is it now? It's 35 degrees outside, so whatever temperature that is, it's definitely not that. I'm gonna go a second round of steam room. Steam room is worse than the ice bath. We're not gonna be able to see in when the door closes. So obviously the camera's gonna be all fogged up while we're in here. My issue is the water dripping down my legs is burning up my calves. It's scalding me. Oh, okay, we're doing a lot better than last time. We're at a minute. No, it's just water. It's way too warm for me. I feel like I'm in a pedal. One better? You do one? No, I can't do it. My feet are burning up. 115 is where I'm at. Woo! Okay. Oh, that was hurting me too much. Okay, now I'm into the ice bath. It's good enough. Whoa, like one. Not a full 115 because I started it before we got in. Okay.
Can I take this one?
Oh god. Whew. Wait, this is still going. Stop the. I can't see the front stop.
I'm just gonna...
Oh god. This is not more brave than me. Chest is like fully out. I'm justifying it by saying this is just for my legs and my upper body is okay, but
My shoulders need it so bad.
it's really just because I'm too afraid to do it. That's 6 minutes.
I'll do 6:30.
6:30. 6:30.
Feet do not like this.
That's not the way. That's not the way. This is the way.